Good morning, everyone. Today's subject is kinetic of machinery. I'm from mechanical branch. My name is Dharmateja. The roll number is 2094 Subject is kinetic of machinery. Topic is inversions of single cylinder crank mechanism. What is mechanism? When one of the links of kinetic chain is fixed, the chain is known as a mechanism. It may be used for transmitting or transforming the motion. Example: engine, indicators, typewriters, etc. A mechanism with four links is also known as simple mechanism, and the mechanism with more than four links is known as compound mechanism. When a mechanism is required to transmit power to or output some particular type of work, it then becomes a mechanism. In such cases, the various links or elements have to be designed to withstand the forces and safety. Single slider crank chain. The single slider crank chain is a modification of basic 4-bar chain. It consists of one sliding pair and three turning pairs. It is usually found in reciprocating steam engine mechanism. This type of mechanism converts a rotator motion into a reciprocating motion, and is vice versa. In single cylinder crank chain, as shows links 1 and link 2, link 3, link 4, and link 3 and link 4 from the turning pairs, while link 4 and link 1 forming a sliding pair. Link 1 corresponds to the frame of engine which is fixed. The link 2 corresponds to the crank. Link 3 corresponds to the connecting rod, and link 4 corresponds to the crosshead. As the link 4 rotates, the crosshead reciprocates in the guidance, and this piston reciprocates in cylinder inversion. We have already discussed that when one of the link is fixed in a kinetic chain is called mechanism. So we can obtain any mechanisms as the number of links is in a kinetic chain by fixing in turn different links in a kinetic chain. This method of obtaining different mechanism by fixing different links in a kinetic chain is known as inversion of mechanism. Inversion definition: a mechanism is a kinetic chain which one fixed link. The fixed link is called frame. Different mechanism is obtained by fixing different links in a kinetic chain. This purpose of choosing the different links and kinetic chain for the frame is known as inversion. This by fixing one by one links of the mechanism we can obtain the inversion. It may be noted that the relative motion between the various links are not changed in any manner through the process of inversion, but their absolute motions may be changed drastically. Types of inversion: first one, 4-bar chain. 4-bar chain, beam chain, coupling rod of locomotive, wall indicator mechanism. And second chain, single slider crank chain. In single slider crank chain, bull engine, oscillating cylinder engine, rotatory engine, crack and salted quick return mechanism, with quick return mechanism. And third one is double slider crank. In this, elliptical terminals, Scotch-Yoke mechanism and Ohlm's coupling. The bull engine or pendulum engine. In this mechanism, the inversion is obtained by fixing the cylinder 4 is that the sliding pair as a showing figure. In this case, when the crank link 2 rotates through connecting rod link 3 oscillates about a pin pointed to the fixed link 4 at A, and the piston attached to the piston rod. Link 1 reciprocates the duplex pump which is used to supply feed water to boilers. Have two pistons attached to the link. uh, Oscillating slide or the oscillating cylinder engine. The arrangement of oscillating cylinder engine mechanism as shown in figure is used to convert the reciprocating motion into rotator motion. In this mechanism, the link 3 forming the turning pair is fixed. Link 3 reciprocates to the connecting rod of reciprocating steam engine mechanism. When the crank link 2 rotates, the piston attached to the piston rod link 1 reciprocates, and the link 4 oscillates about a pivoted to the fixed link at A. Now we see the figure. Now let us see the rotatory rotatory engine. Some times back, rotatory internal combustion engines were used in the aviation, but nowadays gas gas turbines are used in its place. It consists of seven cylinders. It consists of seven cylinders in one plane and all revolves about fixed center D as shown in figure. While the crank link 2 is fixed in mechanism, when the connecting rod link 4 rotates, the piston link 3 reciprocates inside the cylinder, forming link 1. Elliptical terminals. It is an instrument we used for drawing a ellipse. This is inversion of obtained by filling the salted plate link 4. The fixed plate or link 4 has two straight grooves cut in it at right angles to touch each other. The link 1 and link 3 are known as sliders and from link sliding pairs with the link 4. The link AB link 2 is bar that forms a turning pair with link 1 and 3. Let us see the figure. Scotch-Yoke mechanism. Scotch-Yoke mechanism. This mechanism is used for converting rotatory motion into reciprocating motion. The inversion is obtained by fixing either the link 1 or link 3. In this, link 1 is fixed when the link 2, which corresponds to the crank, rotates about B as center. The link 4, which corresponds to the frame, reciprocates. The fixed link 1, guides the frame. Ohlins coupling. The Ohlins coupling is used for connecting the two parallel shafts. Those axes are at the small distance apart. The shafts are coupled in such a way that if one shaft rotates, the other shaft also rotates at the same speed. The inversion is obtained by fixing the link 2, and the shafts will be connected to two flanges link 1 and link 3 rigidly fastened at the either ends of forming.